Hello everyone. So let's try to solve one more question from CSIR NET 2024, and this question is from Special Theory of Relativity, that is from classical mechanics, and it's a quite simple problem, but the people have done little bit error into this calculation. So let us try to go for this one. And this is just a length contraction, nothing else. So a square plate of dimension A cross A into A, that means dimension, this length is A, makes angle theta with is equal to pi by 4 with x-axis. So this angle, this theta is pi by 4. So if this is pi by 4, this will be pi by 4, then this will be pi by 2. This is symmetric point. So this is just remaining symmetric point of view. And it is given, it is moving with the speed v is equal to root under 2 by 3 c. So you have to always take care. This is complete root, 2 by 3, complete root is there. Some people will take in root 2 by 3, then it will create a mess. Along the x-axis with respect to observer s dash. So this is your x-axis. So this is moving with respect to s dash. So there is not any problem. So value of interior angle phi. So we have to calculate the interior angle phi with respect to s dash. We have to calculate this interior angle phi with respect to s dash. So students, how you will go for that? Very simple. So we can find how this length is going to contracted, but we have to just talk about the angle. So we will just say what part of the x part is going to for this length, which for the x part is going to be contracted, and what is happening to y part, and then we can talk about the angle sense. So let's try to go for this particular problem. So let's try to solve this one. So let's try to go for this one. So I am just making a simple picture. I am just taking this length. Leave it all the other length. I am just taking this length, and this angle is given as pi by 4. And if I will get this angle, and this is given with respect to S frame. So we will calculate this angle theta dash with respect to S dash frame. So let us assume this length is A. So this length will be A cos pi by 4, and this length is going to be what? A sin pi by 4. So these two lengths are given. So what will happen with respect to S dash frame? S dash frame, and hence with respect to S dash frame, this whole thing is moving with velocity 2 by 3c along x-axis. So this length is going to contract because this is along I cap direction. So this length is going to contract and this length remains same. So what will happen? Lx dash, and that value is equal to A cos pi by 4 root under 1 minus, and this is your b square upon c square. So this will be 2 by 3, and this value is equal to A cos pi by 4 by root 3. So this is my Lx dash. Now what will happen to Ly dash? So if we can have, so there is not any relative speed in y direction. So this value is equal to what? A sin pi by 4. So it is not going to change into y direction. So what will happen to tan theta dash? So tan theta dash is equal to Ly dash upon Lx dash. So what will happen? A sin pi by 4 by A cos pi by 4 by root 3. So what will happen? Now we have to calculate this thing. So sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, that value is equal to 1 by root 2. So what will happen? This complete term is going to cancel out. So what will happen to tan theta dash? So tan theta dash is nothing but root 3. So theta dash is equal to, we have root 3. So what is theta dash? Theta dash is nothing but the 60 degree. So we can find this particular theta dash. Now let us try to go for geometry. So when we are going for the geometry part, So what is visible from S dash frame? So this is from S dash frame. So now this angle is appeared to be pi by 6, and so why this angle will also appear to be, sorry, this is pi by 3, 60 degree means pi by 3. So this angle is pi by 3. This angle is pi by 3. This angle is also pi by 3. So this angle will also pi by 3. So you can get this phi. So theta dash from S dash frame, this is your theta dash, that is pi by 3. So from the symmetry, we can tell this is also my pi by 3. So this angle is also pi by 3. And you can find this length is almost contracted in nature. So answer will be 1. So this phi with respect to S dash frame is pi by 3. So this will be your option number 1. Thank you.